What is going on, YouTube? We are back for yet another video, and today I finally got my hands on these 100% Jett Lawrence collab Accuri 2 super limited motocross goggles. Now, I've been wanting to get my hands on these for quite some time now, and I finally got it, and I'm bringing you guys with me for an unboxing and review video. So let's just get straight into the unboxing and see what we're working with. All right. So the packaging and everything is pretty sturdy. And it looks like it comes with like a dust bag. And whoa, actually inside it actually comes with an extra set of clear lenses. So I mean, that's love, because like when I bought them, they gave me the option of if I wanted like clear lenses or like the mirror. And you know what I'm saying? Like, I like that mirror look. But I mean, I got so many lenses and everything from my other goggles from 100% that, you know, they're interchangeable. So I went with the mirrored look right here. It's like an installation guide, manual, all that good stuff. And one thing, like, if you guys may not know about these bags from 100%, these bags can actually be used as like a lens cloth. So like if you get like smudges and stuff on your lenses, you can actually use like this cloth and everything to wipe and clean your lenses. So like if you ever on a go, get some fingerprints or anything like that, just remember, that's why I always try to keep my goggles in like these little bags when I travel, because they do come in handy. But I like the two-tone bag though. That's actually pretty dope. And then getting into the lens, let's see. Alright, so that's all just packaging. Yeah, these are phenomenal.
Sensational.
Like the attention to detail, the design, like everything about them, like I'm really loving it. And then even like the colors, like right around the nose guard, you see how the colors like fade and they go from like brown to pink. Nice little accents. The foam and the pattern and everything is pretty good. Yeah, I like these. And then on the tag, it just got like a QR code to where you can do like lens care instructions. And then another QR code, I believe, which just takes you to the 100% website. And then like a decal sticker. So I'll probably just take the sticker and put it on like my toolbox or something. But these goggles are amazing. Like, I'm loving like the quality, material. Let's see how they look on. I'm trying them on for y'all. Yeah, they feel good. They fit nice. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, these mirror lenses is definitely where it's at too. You know, I'm really feeling that. Like, what y'all think? Y'all think I should rock them like off to the side, in the front, or like maybe like to the back? I don't know, I need to stop being country and take this tag off.
You country as hell.
Hey look, I know I'm not alone. Does anybody else besides me do this? Like with these little tags, like these little plastic tags that come on like clothes and stuff? Like when you take them off, you just chew on them. Oh no. But to the front, how we look to the front? Let's go to the side a little bit. What if we take it to the back? Let's see. Yeah, these colors definitely pop though. I like it. Yo, Instagram. I mean, what y'all think? Brand new limited edition, 100% Jett Lawrence collab goggles, Accuri 2 from 100%. You know what I'm saying? Drop something in the comments. Let me know. Yo, they hot or not? Keep them a sweep. So, YouTube, let me know what y'all think. Super limited edition. Jett Lawrence right now is like riding incredible, like red plate points leader. Like he is doing his thing. And what better way to celebrate and commend that than to actually finally get my hands on these limited edition goggles from 100%. Shout out to Jett Lawrence, man. You really doing your thing right now, man. You know, if you seeing this video, man, definitely salute. Hats off to you. You know what I'm saying? Keep riding. I need you to bring home, you know what I'm saying, that title. You feel me? Like, we really rooting for you down here in Florida. Alright, so this was my very first unboxing video, and I want to hear back from you guys. Let me know how I did. Drop it down in the comments below, your thoughts. Let me know if I should continue to do unboxing and review videos, or if I should just stick to like the dirt bikes and the vlogs and all that kind of stuff. You know, you guys just let me know, like, you know what I'm saying? But I really appreciate y'all for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like, comment, repost, follow me on Instagram. Like, let's engage. Don't be afraid. Shoot me a DM. Let's do all of that. Like, you know what I'm saying? I want to hear more from y'all. So I see y'all on the next one.